Wastewater and manure treatment processes naturally produce gases, one of which is hydrogen sulfide, a colorless gas with a strong odor of rotten eggs. Hydrogen sulfide forms when organic matter breaks down in anaerobic conditions, commonly found in manure storage pits and wastewater lagoons. This gas is heavier than air, often accumulating in low-lying areas, enclosed spaces, and poorly ventilated barns or pits. Even at low concentrations, hydrogen sulfide can cause eye irritation, headaches, and dizziness. Higher concentrations are extremely dangerous and can be fatal within minutes. The tragic incident at Prospect Valley Dairy in Colorado highlighted these risks, where 6 workers lost their lives due to hydrogen sulfide exposure. Safety measures include proper ventilation, gas monitoring, and using protective equipment when working near manure or wastewater storage. Recognizing the signs of hydrogen sulfide exposure and implementing strict safety protocols can prevent future accidents and save lives.